Is your Tesla app frozen on the Explore page? This is a common issue often caused by temporary data overload, connectivity problems, or software glitches. The Explore page is quite demanding as it aggregates real-time data for trips, charging, and media. Let's dive into how to fix it. Before diving into more complex solutions, try the simplest one. Refresh the Explore page. Swipe down from the top of the Explore page, or if available, use the app's menu to manually refresh the content. This can often resolve temporary loading issues. A corrupted or full cache can cause the Tesla app to get stuck on the Explore page. The cache stores temporary data to speed up the app, but when it builds up or gets corrupted, it can prevent pages from loading properly. On Android devices, start by opening Settings, then navigate to Apps, find the Tesla app, go to Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This removes the temporary files without affecting your app data. On iOS devices, open Settings, go to General, then iPhone Storage, find the Tesla app, and tap Offload App. This clears the cache and removes the app, but preserves your data so you can reinstall it without losing anything. Sometimes a simple restart is all you need. Force close the Tesla app completely. On iOS, swipe up from the bottom and swipe away the Tesla app. On Android, use the app switcher to close it. Then, reopen the app and see if the Explore page loads correctly. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try reinstalling the app. First, uninstall the Tesla app from your device. Next, restart your device completely. Then, reinstall the app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. This ensures you have a fresh installation. Keeping your Tesla app and device software up to date is crucial for preventing compatibility issues that can cause the app to get stuck on the Explore page. Outdated versions often lack bug fixes and security patches that Tesla releases regularly. First, check for updates to the Tesla app itself. On Android devices, open the Google Play Store and search for Tesla to see if an update is available. On iOS devices, open the App Store, tap your profile picture, and check for pending updates. Look specifically for Tesla in the available updates list. Next, ensure your device's operating system is current. On Android, go to Settings, then Software Update, and check for system updates. On iOS devices, navigate to Settings, then General, and select Software Update to check for iOS updates that may resolve app compatibility issues. Regularly checking for and installing these updates helps maintain smooth app performance and prevents issues like getting stuck on the Explore page. Enable automatic updates if available on your device. In rare cases, the issue might stem from a mismatch between your app version and Tesla firmware. Always ensure both are updated to compatible versions. Some Android devices may have battery optimizers that disable background app refresh, which can cause the Tesla app to get stuck. Make sure the Tesla app is whitelisted in your battery settings to allow proper functioning. If problems persist after these advanced steps, contact Tesla support for personalized assistance.